Good afternoon, guys. Sharon here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you enjoy what I'm about to do. This is actually just going to be a quick little midday leftover paint pour. My toddler is taking a much needed nap right now, so I'm just sneaking this in to relax a little bit. I felt very anxious today, so try to take my mind off of that. So basically this cup is just a bunch of paint from other pours that I've done. Whatever is left over in my cup after I pour, I end up pouring in here. And now I've got the whole cup, and I don't know what it's gonna look like. It might look like poop, but that's kind of the fun of these. You don't know what you're gonna get. Sometimes they look really good, sometimes they don't. But that's okay, because we can always paint over them. I think for this one, I'm going to do a tree ring pour, or at least I'm going to try. I think a flip cup would probably come out pretty muddy, because I do think there's a lot of black in here. And then also there's Floetrol, there's Elmer's glue, there's water, different kinds of paint. So, like I said, it might turn out nice and it might turn out terrible, but either way, it'll be fun. We'll find out. So let's jump into it, guys. Okay. So it hasn't done much, at least from what I can see with the naked eye. I'm not super impressed with this. Tell me what you guys think. Should I keep it like it is, or should I re-pour once it's dry? Okay, I'm gonna take you guys in for the close-up, and then you tell me what you think. So lower right-hand corner, panning across the bottom. Lower left-hand corner. Upper left-hand corner. Upper right-hand corner. So like I said, I wasn't sure what colors were in here, but obviously there's some blue, lots of black, there's some purple, a little bit of pink, white, gray. Yeah, let me know. I really want to hear your opinions on this one. And don't forget to like, subscribe, share, all that fun stuff. And I hope you guys enjoyed, even if it's not the prettiest painting in the world. I will talk to you guys later. Bye!